Step 1 is to go to this website and find these videos. Step 2 is to go to this website where you will shorten the links from the videos you found. Step 3 is to share these video links here. And step 4 is to get paid whenever someone... In today's video, I'll be showing you a method where you can earn money by watching videos and potentially be able to earn up to $15 per video. You can see all these individuals from many different parts of the world making money from this method. You can see how many different people are earning on this site, and there are literally hundreds of thousands of people on here that are earning money on this website. So right here, it'll show you how much money you can earn by watching one video based on where you live. Right here, it shows that if you live in the United States, you can make $8 for every video. So if you were to watch 5 videos, you'd be able to earn $40. Watching 20 videos would allow you to get paid $160. And then you could earn $400 just by watching 50 videos. The first thing I'd like you to do is head over to google.com and search for Twitch TV and then click enter. You'll want to click this link right here. You'll then be redirected to this page where you'll be able to watch a bunch of different videos and channels completely for free. Most of the videos you will find on this website are related to video games. And we're going to be using videos that are similar to these, and clearly you'll notice that we will be able to make a lot of money online based on all these other people's earnings. So when you get to twitch.tv, I'd like you to click on this button that says Browse right here. You'll be able to navigate through all these different categories of videos within this website. I'd like for you to focus your energy on this Fortnite category as it's currently one of the most popular gaming videos and has been for some time now. So go ahead and just click on that, which will then redirect you to this page right here. Fortnite has about 85 million followers as shown right here. Millions upon millions of people have been attracted to these types of videos in recent years. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice all these videos that we can view and employ to make money online. So for the next step, I'd like you to head over to this website called exe.io. This website allows you to shorten URL links, which is exactly what we want to do. This will enable us to earn a lot of money online. And there's no need to worry because I'll walk you through exactly how you can sign up and create a free account on this website. So let me walk you through an example. Let's say I want to copy this video link from this Twitch video right here and then paste it into this box to shorten the link. I'll just get the link from the video, paste it into this box, and then click on this button that says Shorten. So now here we have our shortened link. You're probably wondering how much money you'll be able to make every time someone clicks on this link. That will all depend on how many different people click on this link and which country they are living in. For example, if someone from the United Kingdom were to click on my link, I could earn $6. And then as mentioned previously, if someone from the United States clicked on my link, I can get paid $8. And if you look at all these other countries, that'll show you how much money you can make depending on where an individual comes from. This is exactly how so many people are able to earn money from this method simply by shortening their links and getting people to click on them by sharing a video link like the one we got from twitch.tv. This could potentially earn you hundreds of dollars or even more. You can see here that over 900,000 registered users on this website are making money. PayPal, Bitcoin, and Payoneer are some of the several different payment options that you can use when earning money on this website. Next, I'm going to explain how you can create your own free account. I want you to go click on this button at the top right corner that says Sign Up. When you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can register for your free account by submitting some personal information. You just have to create a username, submit your email, password confirmation, check the box saying that you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on the button that says Register. Once you've done that, you'll be logged into your new account where it should look something like this. This is your main dashboard where it'll show you how many clicks or views you've received from people clicking on your links, your total earnings, your referral earnings, and then the average CPM. As this is a brand new account, my balance will be $0. I've yet to shorten any links, but I'm going to walk you through an example right now. So make sure you continue watching so you know how to do this step-by-step process for yourself. So the first thing I'd like you to do is head back over to twitch.tv and search for 3 different videos that are in the genre of Fortnite. So just click on one of these videos, scroll down, and click on this button right here. Next, you'll want to click on the button right here to copy the video link. After we've copied the link, we'll head on back over to exe.io and shorten your link. So we'll just shorten our link and it will show you how this website will automatically just shorten your link into a shorter and better URL. So after we've done that, we'll just click on the copy button right here. After that, you want to create some sort of script to notify and incentivize someone to click on the shortened video link that you just copied. Here's a rough idea of a script that you can use and send to people to click on your links. Provide a very brief, general summary of the video game itself, and then state something along the lines of, "For more Fortnite videos, check out the links right here to view now." You will then paste the URLs for the 3 videos right here. So anytime someone clicks on one of these links, you will be able to earn money online, and the amount will depend on which country they reside in. So after we've copied and pasted our first link for video 1, we will repeat this process for video 2 and video 3. So just go ahead and copy the link from twitch.tv, paste it into here, and shorten the link and then paste it into our script right here. Now for the next step, I'd like you to head over to this forum called forums.pcgamer.com. This is a well-established and popular gaming community that people gravitate towards to talk about several different gaming-related issues like talking about Fortnite videos. The amazing thing about this forum is that it's completely free and accessible in any part of the world. So literally anyone can participate and have access to this forum. There's a lot of people discussing topics surrounding games, as you can see right here in the PC gaming discussion section. You can see that general gaming has 1.7 thousand threads and about 47,000 messages. So if I click on this topic of discussion of general gaming, it will then redirect me to this page where you'll be able to browse and view through a variety of different articles and people who are posting several different gaming related things, as you can see right here. There are several opportunities right here for you to take advantage of, because here, as you can see, there are hundreds of thousands of views on each of these topics that people are engaging with. So when I search for the keyword Fortnite, I'll find several different topics of discussion and interest on gaming videos right now. This is true based on the fact that there are literally over 80 million followers for Fortnite on twitch.tv. So using this forum of PC Gamer is an amazing place for you to copy and paste your script with your 3 video links for people to view and click on so you can earn money. The more you share your script with your 3 video links, the more money you'll make. While this is a great way to make money online, the best way in my opinion to make money online is by running YouTube channels just like this one. When it comes to running YouTube channels, you can learn through trial and error, or you can learn from the best step-by-step program that's out there. You can receive mentoring and all the support and help you need to do this the right way over the next 90 days. If that's something you're interested in, check out the link in the video description below to get the best deal on my absolute favorite YouTube course. It's taught me everything I need to know on YouTube, so check that out if you're interested. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.